Hello, Barry Anderson, Trade Ideas, with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great, ABOS. So, for the context though, you had to know that Biogen released some really promising data regarding Alzheimer's, okay? This is a huge move for this company. I mean, this was sitting at 197 and actually popped up to 338 in the pre-market. It's pulled back some, but it's still a massive move. We're not saying that ABOS is ever going to have a cure for Alzheimer's, but you know, the trader mentality, this is what happened. So look at this move in the pre-market. This started to win some races right about here, okay? And so this is what I looked at. I looked at this 8 break after the big pullback, and it went from 8 all the way up to about 950 before it pulled back some. I mean, that's just a matter of knowing what this was all about. A sympathy play to Biogen. All right, guys, I want to get back into the room, so have a great evening, and I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.